Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to use concatenate formula. A concatenate formula is used to join text of two cells or multiple cells under rows and columns. We used commas to separate the cells we are combining, and use quotation marks to add space text. We have a data. Here is the formula. We use with equal sign and outside com, and there's the formula, double click and bracket open. We need to type the text one. Here we click A1, now comma to separate the another text, and to add space we use quotation mark and then space and then quotation mark and comma, and now we use cell B1 and now bracket open. Student marks are ready. If you want to, we add another text. Let's say we type here text instead of cell. Hit enter. So use quotation mark, and now we use text instead of cell B1 and student okay. Here text A1, and for space we use quotation marks and then comma and quotation marks. We add a text of your own choice. You can also type a text. So this way you can concatenate formula to add text in the cell. Please subscribe the channel and thanks for watching the video.